Megalog travel from Tokyo. Hi, I'm Meg from Tokyo. Today, I'm gonna show you my best 5 shops for having food and drinks while enjoying the freshly bloomed cherry blossoms in Shinjuku, and 5 important tips to enjoy it as well. Shinjuku is famous for the nightlife in Tokyo. Shinjuku has also a beautiful garden named Shinjuku Gyoen where you can see cherry blossoms during the spring. First, let me share you tips to know before you go to Shinjuku Gyoen. Now, let's get started! Tip number 1. Access information. We are now in front of Shinjuku Gyoen Station and head for Shinjuku Gyoen. Shinjuku Gyoen is easy to access. It's only a 5-minute walk from Exit 1 Marunouchi line of Shinjuku Gyoen Station. If you're going from Shinjuku Station, it will be a 15-minute walk from the east-south exit of JR line. Tip number 2. Food and drink. We picnic, drink and chat under the cherry blossom. That's our way to enjoy hanami. You can bring food and beverage except for alcohol. That's a shame you cannot drink sake and beer in Shinjuku Gyoen. There are other notes, so please check their website before you go. Tip number 3. Opening hours. Opening hours are different depending on the season. Shinjuku Gyoen closes in early evening, so I recommend to be there by noon. During the early spring season, there is a special event called Sakura Night Garden at Shinjuku Gyoen. Naked artworks will be illuminating over 900 cherry blossom trees of 70 varieties that bloom within the grounds. Please make sure that you cannot come in again once you leave. Tip number 4. Price. You can pay by cash or prepaid transportation card, also known as IC card like Suica and Pasmo. It's 500 yen per person. If you're over 65 years old or a student, it will be a half price. If you're going at night event, the price will be over 3 times the normal price. In my opinion, it's worth going but a little expensive for me. Tip number 5. Pre-booking system. This might be the most important. Basically, you don't need to buy an advance ticket, but the spring season is different. During the early spring season of weekends and Japanese holiday, booking is usually required. The website is available in English, Chinese, and Korean. Check their website before you go. Now you can see the Shinjuku entrance. There are many convenience stores near Shinjuku Gyoen, and that is one of the options. But since there are many other good takeaway food in Shinjuku, how about trying the others? Now let me share it! Number 1. Marble Vegan. No matter you are vegan or not, here is the perfect place to stop by. This shop is a 2-minute walk from Shinjuku Gyoen Station. There are many tarts, cakes, and other sweets for vegan, which is low carb and healthy. You can have vegan sweets and sandwiches enjoying the natural view at the terrace. But let's take away a sandwich this time. There are 2 types of sandwiches, egg sandwiches or vegetable katsu sandwiches. I got vegetable katsu sandwiches one. No matter you're not vegan, this is must eat in Shinjuku. Number 2. Ebisude. Ebisude is famous for grilled beef, as we call yakiniku. You can try Wagyu beef here as well. It's only a 3-minute walk from Shinjuku Gyoen Station. They carefully select high-quality meat from all over the country and cut it by hand after receiving an order. There are over 10 kinds of menu for bento box. I got a stamina rice bowl. tastes garlicky. I like it so much. I can't help stop eating. Let's go to next. Number 3. Freshness burger. McDonald's might be the most famous hamburger chain in the world, but I recommend this Japanese hamburger shop when you're traveling to Japan. It's only a 2-minute walk from Shinjuku Gyoen station. The feature of this shop is healthy and fresh. Classic hamburger, soy burger for vegetarian are the regular item of this shop. When you order, you just point the picture because there's no English menu. During the spring season, it's good to eat a healthy hamburger viewing cherry blossom. I got a teriyaki hamburger with fresh lettuce. To be honest, this hamburger is quite small, but the taste is nice and plenty of lettuce is fresh and crispy. Good. Number 4. Marugame Seimen. Marugame Seimen is the most popular udon chain restaurant in Japan. You can enjoy the rich flavor of Sanuki udon made with 100% Japanese grown. At Marugame Seimen, you can take home freshly made udon, rice balls, tempura, inari, and other menu items. Personalize your udon your way, mix and match to create your own unique bowl. There's an option that you just order tempura or rice bowl. So I just ordered tempura this time. If you wait a little longer, then they will provide freshly fried tempura. This is called kakiage, also known as mixed vegetable tempura. This tempura is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. I understand that Marugame Seimen is popular overseas as well as Japanese people. Number 5. Don Quixote. Don Quixote provides everything from household goods to brand name products as well as exciting and thrilling ones. If you're buying souvenirs, I think Don Quixote is one of the good options. All of their stores offer tax-free shopping. What a funny monument! There are several sweets and beverages in Donki. Let's find some for the hanami party. I'm thinking about buying some Japanese snacks called dagashi. Dagashi is cheap candies and snack foods. I got these packed snacks and these soy milk flavors of chai and pudding. These are my best dagashi. This is called ninja meshi. What a funny name! Ninja meshi is a very hard gummy. It's very hard and chewy. The flavor of grape is super nice. This is cut yochan. It's made of squid and fish cut into bite size. It's chewy and sour vinegar flavor. Chai milk is also nice. It's time to leave. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click a good button. There are many attractive spots in Shinjuku. I'll update more interesting videos, so please let me know your any requests on the comment. See you at the next video.